Yo, today I'm in Switzerland, Zurich, where I train with a very special guest. Let's go find out who he or she is.
Who's this?
It's Locksmith.
Hey there, are you coming for a workout?
I'm definitely coming for a workout.
Kan jag hoppas du vill?
Cindy people.
Today we're starting with the chin-up competition that you asked for.
I remember.
Now we're going through the whole back workout.
Okay.
We do deadlifts at the end, and then if you're still fit enough, we finish the session with some bicep curls.
I'm down. So we're doing back and biceps.
Yeah.
Let's do this. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, Cindy, you got it. 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, you got 2 more in there. 11, 12. Come on. 13. I would love you to stop right now. 14. You don't have to do any more. 1 more. Let's go.
1. All the way down. 2. 4. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12.
I'm only joking.
13. 14. Now you're done. 15. Come on, more. 16.
I'll beat you.
Okay, we wait a couple of minutes. I do seconds then.
Round 1. I beat her in our hometown. 4, 5. 4 controls so much better than mine.
I know I'm also fully stretched.
Go on. What's it? 7.
8. 10. 2 more.
Come on then. Oh. Ah, yeah. Give you that. So that's 10 she got.
12.
It was a good 12.
Count. 1. 6. 8.
Ha!
11. Go on, Paul. 12. You can't stop yet. 13. Okay, 2 more.
Training with Cindy. Training with Cindy. Training with Cindy. Training with Cindy. In Zurich. Come on. Stop. All you. Come again, come on.
Because in this position where you push out your chest, like in this position, this area does the contraction, but here you're also contracting to be in this position, so you use your whole back. Okay, push out your chest and pull back.
Come on, you got this. Come on. One more. One more, come on. I was hoping she stopped at 10. Just finished my session with Cindy here. She killed me. I can barely move my hands. Thank you for inviting me to your gym, inviting me to Zurich. I've really enjoyed my time here.
Thank you.
Taking me for lunch. You've given me a gym session. Are you going to take me out for dinner?
Steaks.
Steaks, I'm winning. Look, if you've enjoyed our session today, make sure you share, subscribe, and hit the like button. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down button twice. They call me Locksmith. They call her
Cindy Landolt.
Make sure you check us out. We're out. Peace.